Welcome back into this new video, guys, of Tech Express. Today let's check out and talk a little bit more about the OBS. So if, let's say, for example, you streamed or record, you stream or record and remove the clutter behind you, but you don't have a green screen, you have to work because the modern OBS Studio has a powerful built-in filter that can archive a virtual green screen effect using AI and your graphic cards. This technique is called the background removal or the segmentation. This works by identifying you as a subject and masking out everything else. Now, a quick note that this feature works best on OBS Studio version 28 or later and requires a decent CPU or GPU as it's quite demanding. And before we continue, it's going to be really important that you must have a strong illumination on the character, otherwise it's going to be looking really bad. So in your OBS scene, you want to make sure your webcam is added as a video capture. Into the left section, select the scene, and here into the sources you go for plus. And here what I want to do is to look out for the one that has the capture of the video. Select it, go for accept. Here in my case I'm going to name this webcam, for example. Make it visible to the source and go for accept. Then my camera should be activated. I can choose my USB webcam, and here, for example, I can be changing the resolution of it, like it's so, the frames per second, the formatted, and so much more. Even what I can do is to select here the personalized, and here I can change the resolution of it, like this. Video format, usually I just leave it into any of them, and go for accept. Just like this, going to be displaying this huge element, which usually should be my actual self. Now, right now, I don't have a lot of, let's say, illumination, so you can see me at the moment. But basically, this is how we can actually add our camera. Now, if you right-click into the webcam source, into the sources panel, you can select the option that says filters. This will be displaying this new element where we can now start to adding different filters for audio and as well for video. Now under the effect panel, what I want to do is to look out for audio video. I'm going to go for the option that says plus. This opens the filters property windows. Now what you can do is to look out for the one that says removal of your, in this case, not a new filter, and the background removal. So here should be appearing the background remover, and if it's in Spanish you can go for chroma or chrome. So I'm gonna name this background removal, and here it says what is the actual color would you like to be focusing on. Basically what this is going to be removing is in a specific only color of the background, so give it a name like the no screen. So immediately the filter activates and your background should vanish or heavily processed. You can customize the background removal. So looking at the settings to refine the look, the most important setting is the segmentation model, because different models offer different qualities and speed. Media pipe is often fast and reliable for general use, but test a few to see which one best looks best for your lighting and the setup. So if the filter is cutting off your hair and clothing, try slightly adjusting the confidence in the threshold slider. Lowering the confidence can sometimes improve edge detection, but rising it can make the cut cleaner. So I'm going to clean to closed, and now I'm going to be showing you, let's say, another solution just in case this one didn't work. So I'm going to delete this element of the source. Let's say yes. I'm going to open a new tab, and here I'm going to go and type background removal for OBS Studio. This will be sending me directly into some OBS projects. The OBS projects can be helping you, of course, to download a lot of plugins totally for free. So in my case, here we're having to the background removal, virtual green screen, and low light enhanced. So I go for the option that says go to the download elements, and here it is. So what I just need to do is to close this. Here's the element that says the latest, and here are my assets. What I needed to do is to look out for the one that says Windows, which in this case here it is. I select it, and just like that this should be downloading directly in here. What I just need to do is to double click directly into the GPU background removal, hit into install, And back here, when you go directly into my new source, this should be displaying the new filter that we have already been installed. And that's how we can actually add this element. So we have now reached you guys into the very end of the video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how we can add more elements directly using OBS. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.